Okay, so my VM is getting started. So what is the VM? Let me explain you until it start. So VM is like a software based computer only that behave like a physical computer. Why physical computer? Because we set up everything, hard drive, base memory. Okay, so it has its own operating system. So here we are using the Linux OS as we set up. Okay, so it has its own CPU, memory, which is the RAM, storage, network interface, but it's run inside the physical computer. It's my computer. Inside this computer, in a virtual machine, I have set up the host machine, which is called uh, inside the host machines means by computer. So using the virtualization software which are the virtualization software, Oracle VirtualBox, VMware workstations, Microsoft Hyper-V, these all are the Oracle virtualization software. So same way we are creating the virtual machine here, and how it's working. So it's working like first we need the some physical computers. Physical computer, that means physical computer has its own CPU, RAM, disk, network card, everything. Top of on that we are creating the virtualization, which is called hypervisor as well, which is called virtual machine, VirtualBox, VMware, or Hyper-V, we can say anything. And in VirtualBox we can create multiple VMs like VM1, VM2, VM3. Inside the VM, we can choose the different OS as per our requirement. We can set up everything as per the requirements. Okay, so this is the basics of VirtualBox and virtual machine. And why we are using virtual machine, let's we just understand. So virtual machine are mostly wide used because they let you run multiple operating system on single physical computer. On single physical computer, that means we have our own computer. On computer we have virtual box. On virtual box we are creating our own VM. Okay, inside the VM we will install our required software and database, and for our own purpose work we will use that. So we can create multiple VM, we can choose the multiple different operating system. That is the biggest benefits. Okay, so commonly it's very useful in the real case. Okay, so this is just about VirtualBox. And suppose like we are creating the database. So in terms of database, I would like to say that here we are creating the VM right now. Suppose for my Oracle primary database, in this VM I'll going to create my primary database. But for the security purpose or for the replica purpose, if I want to create the replica of my primary database, so I need to create a one more VM which is called standby. So within this virtual box, I allowed to create a one more VM which is called maybe VM2. Okay, and inside the VM2 my standby database will run for the which is called the concept of data guard. So it's just about the VM, how it's working and why we are using it. It's checking internally. It's taking few minutes of time. Okay, finally it's done. Okay, so finally Oracle Linux 7.9 installation is running. So here it's asking me for what language would you like to use during the installation process. So default is English United States. I'll keep that only. And sorry, I'll keep that only and I'll click on the continue. Next, it's asked for the date and time. We need to set up this. So it's a little slow. So just click on this twice. Yeah, finally. So I'm from India. So here is see, in India, here Asia time city is Kolkata. If you know, then you can directly click here. Then region and city will come. If you don't know, then you can type here Asia and Kolkata. Okay. Then just click on the done. Next is the language support. We have already done. Oh, so we no need to touch this in installation source. Software selection is must required. I'm going with the server with GUI. Okay. In last server with GUI inside, I need to add on all this. So I'm click this all, selecting this all. Don't miss to select any single because these all are will be very helpful after the database creation for work with the database. So server with GUI is completed. Okay, here see so many tools are available. Utilize this tool like a backup with server, DNS, email service, FTP server, file and storage server, Java platform, then Postgres, then MariaDB. So many for the networks performance tools. So it's must required. Okay, so just I clicked everything done. Next is I'm going down and installation destination. See, this is the hard disk. It's created while we done the virtual machine setup. Okay, so I need to just choose this. Make sure it's a little difficult who are doing this first time. So see, once you tap twice in this, see whenever this right icon is coming, at that time you have to click on the done. So it's selected. Fine. Saving storage configuration. Good map, we don't need to do anything. Host name and network, we can set up better as well, but let me on this. Done. Automatic partitioning selected. It should be come. You have to take care. So check everything again. Asia, Kolkata. Then language. Checking software dependency. Once it will, yeah, let me check this again. Why its installation source is not set up? I think it will take time. We need to wait until it's done. Okay. Security policy, we don't need to do anything right now. Here also in a CAD UMP, we don't need to do anything right now. Installation, it's already done. Server with GUI should be come here, but it's not coming, so there is something. Finally, server with GUI, it's done. Installation source is local media. It's taking some time. I was doing the hurry after clicking so many times, but yes, it's taking the some time. Okay, so everything is done. You have to make sure that you should follow this all the steps, okay, before click on the begin installation. Now I'm just clicking on begin installation. Yeah, finally it's done. I need to prepare the password for root, so I'm giving the root password. You can set anything as per your requirement. Now user creation. So I'm creating the user, okay? I'm creating the user with my name only. Then creating giving the password for user. Okay, it's done. Let me tell you that most of the time we set the password like Oracle only. So it will take time. Okay, it's little lengthy process in a background, so it will take